Hey guys, it is Thursday and I haven't started my vlog. So I was about to jump in the shower and then I realized that and was like, whoa, let me pause for a second. So I just got my video for an indie brand that I'm really excited about. I finished the video and I have it basically like uploaded. It's not live yet, so that when I am on my lunch break tonight, hopefully like at 5 or 6, I will finish up like description box and all that kind of stuff. I've got like the thumbnail done. I literally just have to like put in all the info and then it will go live tonight. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to do that. I am working today, Friday and Saturday, and then I'm off on Sunday. I don't know what my next week looks like. I need to check that out in a momento, but probably just a lot of working, and you know how it goes. And kind of taking a look at some houses that are in between here and where my parents live. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna take a look. I'm gonna see. I don't know. I'm still like so undecided. My brain just like, as much as I try to like think about it and weigh the pros and cons, I'm just like, I don't know. That's how my brain works. It's just like, yeah, I don't know. You figure it out later, I guess. So not only am I a procrastinator, but so is my brain, because my brain's just like, I'm done. But at any rate, today I have a really exciting news, because in probably like just a few minutes, probably the next time that I check, I will have hit 1 million total views on YouTube. So I do have lots of videos, so it's not like, oh, I have like one crazy video, but yeah, 1 million total views to me is a really big deal. I don't quite know how to put that into words. So if you've been with me for a while, thank you so much for contributing to that. And if you are new, then welcome and thank you. And I don't know how to describe that. But it is definitely like motivation to just keep pushing, because I do love this so much. Literally like sitting here and editing and doing all that has made me so happy. Like, it's such a good way to spend my day, and then I have to go to a real job and do things that are not as creative and not as fun. And you know, once you find something you love, it's like everything else is just, do I have to do that? So that's what's going on. But you know, I'm pushing through. I am in a really positive I'm in a really positive headspace. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna do some simple makeup. I don't have a lot of time, because I always waste too much time, because I put off going to work, and then I'll like work on videos and stuff that I'm more excited about. So I need to get going, but I wanted to start this vlog and say hello. And yeah, we'll see what the rest of this week has to hold. I definitely will be doing more vlogging the next couple of days, and especially on Sunday. I will probably like try to get my vanity room in complete order on Sunday, so I'll definitely film some of that with you. Probably not decluttering, but just like putting things in places, especially all the palettes that I have decluttered. And there should also be a face palette declutter going up in the next few days, probably, if not tomorrow, then the day after. So yeah, look out for that, and I will talk to you guys later. guys, so it's Sunday. I just filmed letting you guys pick my Starbucks order. So I tried a bunch of drinks. You guys have some really good suggestions. Oh, excuse me. So, but look where I am. I'm going into the Maxx. And I'm just gonna look around. I'm not really looking for anything in particular. Just gonna see if I find any good deals, and then I'm gonna go home and edit that video and work on organizing my makeup a bit more. So I'll take you guys with me for the ride. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a taco. Oh my god. Where's the price? Oh my god. I have found the most disturbing things at the TJ Maxx. Yeah. Yeah. Keeps getting worse. What the hell? It's Justice Beaver. Guys, look at this clean corner of my vanity room. Also, what are you doing? Hi, baby. What's you doing? Are you sunning? Are you sunning? Wow. So pretty. Okay, I'll quit. So I did a little cleaning, vacuumed in here. I still have to put away palettes. That's what I was keeping, my little stack. I also put a few in the drawers. I say a few. I put a good many in the drawer. So I decided to keep the Alamara one because so many of you were suggesting that I do. So I'm just gonna give that one another try before I let it go. Honestly, it's the packaging that I hate more than anything. I don't know, I just don't like that color. It does have some beautiful shadows, but I just give it another go. And yeah, I still have a little bit of a mess here on my bench, but it's just like stuff that I need to put in places. I've said that before. And under there, right over here, those are face palettes that I'm keeping, so those just need to be organized into places too. And then I need to do a bit more organizing in my drawers. I have room, it's just like a matter of doing it. And yeah, I think you guys saw that I moved that over there, little drawers out of the sunlight, because it's skincare. So I need to get this vlog, I need to get the vlog footage on my computer soon, and I'll start editing it so I can get it up tonight. It's weird, I had such a fun day yesterday. I filmed letting my Instagram followers pick my Starbucks order, so that was fun. I definitely enjoyed doing it. It was really lighthearted, but I don't know, today I'm like depressed feeling. I don't know what it is. I can't quite put a finger on it, but I'm just feeling like down, and for no reason, just what my body is choosing to do right now. So anyway, I'm trying to just get out of that funk. I do work this evening. I kind of prioritized not going to the gym today so that I can make sure I get the vlog up, and then I want to film a TJ Maxx haul before I go, so maybe that will brighten my day up a little bit. I love filming, especially fun videos like that, so I'll probably do that before I go to work. I work at 2 and I'm closing, so yeah, closing on a holiday is probably not going to be busy. Like, it's hard to tell. Sometimes holidays we'll get busy and sometimes we won't. I don't know, but at any rate, that's everything that's going on. I hope that I cheer up some later today, but maybe just getting busy and videos and work will get me back to normal. I think too, I still have like a lot on my mind, whether or not like I'm staying in this house. I love this house. Like I have my little space in here, which is really nice, and I hate the thought of like giving that up, but if that's what I need to do, I'll totally do it. Yeah, I don't quite know what direction I'm going in, and yeah, if I knew, I feel like I'd feel better. Like even if it was like leaving or changing things up, just knowing and like having a plan and then taking some action on it, whereas right now I'm just kind of like in limbo trying to figure out what I'm doing. So that's probably weighing on my psyche a little bit, like all the uncertainty, but it's all good. It's gonna get better and it's gonna be all right. I don't know what else to say about that. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, I do have a couple videos coming up this week that I think you might like. I'm gonna do like a small PR unboxing. I got 3 packages and I think I'll have 1 or 2 more tomorrow. So I'm gonna see. If not, I'll put it in the vlog. Like if it's just like 3 boxes, I'll probably just include it in next week's vlog. Otherwise you'll see that. I'm gonna do my TJ Maxx haul, and I should get my FabFitFun summer box probably this week, I would think. So yeah, that's a little taste of what's coming up, and then I will soon work on my next declutter. I think I'm gonna do complexion next, so do like foundation, concealers, and powders, because I don't have a ton of powders, and concealers I don't have that many, but I've got a good many foundations, so I feel like doing it all. And then I really want to do the lip one soon because I have so much. That one's gonna be a big one, like a huge declutter for lips. So let me know if you guys would prefer one really long video of like all my lip products, or if you would like me to mix it up, like liquid lips and regular lipsticks and glosses, or like I'm thinking about just doing it all together, like literally laying everything out on the floor beforehand, like putting down a blanket and having like all my lip products laid out. It's really handy so that I can go like item by item. We'll do some swatches and you know, see what I should get rid of, yada yada. So let me know. I'm thinking just one big video, like my palette one, like my eyeshadow palette one. It would be long, but I feel like it would be a little bit better. If you guys prefer shorter, multiple videos, let me know. So we're gonna say bye, right? You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, pretty girl. You get kisses? Hey. What are you doing? Okay. You're a pretty girl. Say bye-bye. 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 So pretty. Bye-bye, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you next time.